Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic linear differential equation of first order. So let's see the definition first. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the function of x only or constant. Is called as linear differential equation of first order. Now let's discuss the method of solution. So in this type of differential equation, first we have to calculate integrating factor. So integrating factor is e raised to integration of p dx, and the general solution which we write always in terms of dependent variable y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into dx plus c. So this is all about linear differential equation which is linear in y. Similarly, a differential equation of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are the function of y only or constant, is also called a linear differential equation which is linear in x. The method of solution is same as above. Here integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dy, and the general solution is x into integrating factor, because here x is dependent variable, is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c. Here we have to note that in both linear differential equation, the coefficient of dy by dx or dx by dy must be equals to 1. Now let's discuss one example. To solve the differential equation 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 4xy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here, as we discussed above, the coefficient of dy by dx, or dx by dy in linear differential equation must be equals to 1. So here divide above differential equation by 1 plus x square term. Therefore, our differential equation is dy by dx plus 4x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square bracket cube. Now compare this equation with standard linear differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Therefore, here function p is equal to 4x upon 1 plus x square and q equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square bracket cube. Therefore, integrating factor is e raised to integration of p dx. Here p is equal to 4x upon 1 plus x square dx. We can write this as e raised to 2 times integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. As we know the formula, since We know the formula integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. Here derivative of 1 plus x square, here derivative of this 1 plus x square is 2x. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to e raised to 2 times log of 1 plus x square. We can write this as e raised to log of 1 plus x square bracket square. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to 1 plus x square bracket square. And the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q integrating factor dx plus c. Therefore, y into 1 plus x square bracket square is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square bracket cube into 1 plus x square bracket square dx plus c. Therefore, y into 1 plus x square bracket square equals to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. Also, as we know, this is the standard formula. Integration of dx upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Therefore, our general solution is y 1 plus x square bracket square is equal to tan inverse of x plus c. Hence, integration of dx upon a square plus x square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. So this is the general solution. Y 1 plus x square bracket square is equal to tan inverse of x plus c. So in this way we can solve the linear differential equation of first order. In next upcoming video, we will discuss some another examples of linear differential equation. Keep watching. Thank you.